Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life plus in your studies also. So today IBPS PO mains examination is over, and in this video I am going to give you a self-given exam analysis of today's exam. Okay, and before starting the video I would like to inform you that Testbook is providing extra 6 months validity on their Testbook Pass, and in one Testbook Pass subscription you will get access to railway, banking and SSC all the mock test, and you will get 250 plus mock test, and it is highly affordable, and for one subscription you are getting many tests other, and along with this you will get subject wise quizzes also, and the level is also good, and for your basic preparation it is highly recommendable. Plus the link will be given in the description for Testbook Pass, and you will get discount by using my code also. And after that, for daily question practice you can also take guideless PDF course, and in that PDF course they are providing daily PDFs for question, daily PDF of questions for you to practice. Okay, and they are providing mock test also. Plus right now there is 70% off going on guidely, so the link will be given in the description, and by using my code you will get 12% discount also. So now start the video. So IBPS PO mains examination, first I will discuss about the level. So the level was around moderate. Okay, and first I will tell you about my attempts. So in reasoning I attempted 22 questions, then in GA I attempted 28 questions, then in English 35, and in Quant 16 questions. So these are my overall attempt 101. Now I will discuss about the level. Okay, and for reasoning I found it moderate, and in reasoning I have attempted two or three puzzle, I do not exactly remember, but one puzzle was on engineering fields like electrical, biochemical, like this. And then I attempted, like mostly I focused on 2 marks questions which were given in miscellaneous questions, like direction based, new pattern direction based questions were also asked. Okay, so mostly I focused on 2 marks questions, but there was 2 marks puzzle which I left because it was kind of tricky. Then in today's paper, I have attempted only one critical reasoning question. In SBI PO, I focused on critical reasoning, and my reasoning section did not go well. But in this paper, I focused on puzzles and mostly of 2 markers. Then in GA, I have attempted 28 questions, out of which 18 questions are correct and 10 questions are wrong. So 28 I have attempted, and these are correct and these are wrong. And for nowadays GA is asked in a deep manner. Okay, and I found the questions were deeply asked from Affairs Clouds also. I read the detailed PDF of Affairs Cloud. Then in English it was moderate, not that much tough, and I have attempted 35 questions, and I am sure of my accuracy also. Like from my side most of the questions are correct in English. Then in quants it was also like I attempted 16 questions, and I have attempted around 5 to 6 questions of 2 markers like the number series. Then there was one DI of something of shares or liability. I have attempted that DI, and after that 2 to 3 miscellaneous questions of arithmetic. Then there was data sufficiency also, and one question I have, 2 questions I have attempted of time, speed and distance. Then I think, yeah, that's it for quant, and these are my total attempts. So please try to write your attempts in the comment section. Okay, and then do not, if your exam did not go well, then do not think that much about it. Just forget that you have given IBPS PO mains if you have IBPS clerk ahead. Okay, so do not lose your focus because of this, because you can do much better in the next examination, and you have 2 days in your hand and you can do much better. So that is all. Thank you, and I wish you all the best.